Primary classification of survey. Primary classification of survey. Okay, so in this, as you all know, I think you will be familiar with this particular topic. So just as an introduction, I am just giving you some description about the classification. Okay, mainly there are two types of classifications for survey. That is, first one is plain survey. Plain survey, and the second one is geodetic survey. Okay, geodetic survey. So plain means, as the name suggests, okay, we are surveying a plain land, plain area. That is it. That is, if you have to, if this is a small area, okay, if this is small area, okay, small area means you can consider the surveying of a small building or small whatever it is, you are surveying only a very small land. So in that case, what you are doing is you are not considering the curvature of earth. Okay, the curvature of the earth is neglected. So in this plain survey, the curvature of earth, so curvature of earth is neglected. You are not considering the curvature of earth. That is plain survey. So you are only surveying a very small area. Okay, whereas in geodetic surveying, you are considering the curvature of earth. Now how you will consider the curvature of earth? Okay, that is, for example, I am giving you an example. That is, if you are a person, okay, you are a person who is standing at this particular position A. Okay, this is the position where you are standing. Okay, and if you are standing uh, on a beach side, okay, you are standing on a beach side, and if this is the position, if this point A is your position, then when you view to the extreme end, okay, this is the extreme end of that coastal area. So that portion, okay, it is not actually, the figure does not comes like this, but I think you got the point. That is, you are standing at the beach side, and when you look at the extreme end position, you can see that position, that is at the extreme end, is not straight. This is some straight position. So this is not a straight horizon, this is somewhat curved. Okay, this position, that extreme end is not curved, that is not straight, that is curved. It is, instead of that, it is curved. So here you have to consider the curvature of earth. Okay, so in this position you have to consider the curvature of the earth. So all these calculations, the curvature is being considered in which kind of survey here? Okay, here the curvature is considered. Curvature of earth is considered. Okay, curvature of earth is considered. So that is the main point. So where will you consider the curvature of the earth? So you just make an example. Okay, you just take this example itself, that is, you are standing in the coastal area. Okay, so in this case, the area is very large. Okay, the area is very large. Area is very large. So in that case, you have to consider the curvature of the earth. Okay, that is the main point. So okay, the other difference is, the first you are considering the plane survey. The other difference is area. I have told that the area will be less. That is the considered area. The surveying area will be very less. Generally, it is less than 258 kilometers square. The area which you are considering for the survey will be less than 258 kilometers square. In that case, you can adopt plain surveying. That means this curvature is not considered. That is a thing. Okay, area is less than 258 kilometers square, or you can say it is almost equal to 100 square miles. Okay, that is another unit. So usually this will be asked, that is these kind of questions are seen in multiple choice questions in various examinations. So you have to, that is you should be thorough with this values. Okay, whereas if you are considering the geodetic surveying, in geodetic surveying, the area considered will be, okay, area considered will be greater than 258 kilometers square. Actually, use that is the surveying area is not having any limit in that particular case in geodetic surveying. That is, it is surveyed for a very large area. Usually, we are considering that the area will be greater than 258 kilometers square. Okay, that means it will be greater than almost 100 square miles. Okay, so that is in plain survey, the area will be less than 258 kilometers square. Geodetic survey, the area will be greater than 258 kilometers square, and it is not having any upper limit. It is not having any upper limit. Okay, it can be extended. That is, a survey can be extended for a very large area. Okay, so this kind of geodetic surveying is actually considered for a very large area. So who will be doing this kind of survey? Usually we don't do that. Okay, it will take a lot of time. So we are not the persons who are conducting this geodetic survey. Okay, actually this geodetic surveying is actually conducted by Survey of India Department. Survey of India Department. Okay, Survey of India Department. So that is based on certain astronomical observations and all. They will conduct the survey of this particular kind of survey. Okay, whereas plain survey means who is responsible or who is conducting this particular kind of survey. We are doing that kind of survey. That is, usually if you want to survey a particular plot of building, in that case we are the persons who are conducting that survey. So that is called as plain surveying. Whereas geodetic surveying means this will be conducted by Survey of India Department. Survey of India Department. Okay, so Survey of India Department. And one more thing, this geodetic surveying means, okay, this geodetic survey means I have told that this will be conducted by Survey of India Department. Okay, Survey of India Department, that is based on certain astronomical observations. They will consider the angular measurement also. Okay, this curvature is also being considered. Okay, now why are they conducting? Why are these people conducting this geodetic surveying? Okay, so they are conducting this kind of survey for important works such as preparation of maps. Okay, preparation of maps. They are the persons who do all these surveys. Okay, that is this observations, that is astronomical observations, means they will consider the angles or curvature, and based on that they will prepare maps. Then if you want to get some international boundaries or national boundaries, okay, if you want that also, national or international boundaries. Okay, that is if you want to get the boundaries of India. So in that case, they will conduct the Survey of India Department will conduct certain observations, that is a certain survey, and they will establish that. Already it is being established. Okay, so I am just giving you a brief idea what they are doing or what is this geodetic survey. Okay, so there is a main difference between plain surveying and geodetic survey.